How are you guys? Hope everyone's doing well. So we're presenting for Smash House, and I'll just read you our elevator pitch real quick and give you some information. Hey there, have you ever felt the world's holding you down and you just want to smash things? OmniBlock has a solution, building on Ada Realm Smash House. Now picture this, you walk into a place where it's not only okay to unleash your inner Hulk, it's encouraged. It's a place where frustration turns into exhilaration and your anger becomes your artistic muse. Welcome to Smash House, your digital sanctuary for controlled chaos and creative rebirth. This isn't just any old rage room. It's a virtual wonderland where you obliterate everything in sight. Plates, furniture, walls, you name it, you break it. And we don't stop there. We're taking destruction to the next level, offering you the chance to craft your very own room to destroy. It's your anger, your design, your rules. But wait, here's where things get mind-blowingly cool. Those shattered fragments of destruction, they're not gone. You transform them into captivating works of art, each piece telling a unique story of metamorphosis. And the secret ingredient? Blockchain technology. You heard right. Every piece becomes a one-of-a-kind NFT, turning you into a pioneer in the world of blockchain art, all while you're getting your smash on. But we're not just breaking stuff here. We're smashing through barriers to blockchain adoption. We're talking about more than just a wild time. We're talking about a movement. The impact, tangible mental well-being, an explosion of jaw-dropping NFT artworks, and a community that's as diverse as it is passionate. So, my friends, if you're ready to embrace the chaos, if you're ready to channel your frustration into something mind-blowingly creative, and if you're ready to step into the forefront of blockchain innovation, buckle up. Smash House is here to shatter expectations and redefine how we unleash our inner demons and artistic vision. Get ready to smash boundaries, smash through preconceptions, and smash your way into a whole new era of expression. Thank you guys for your time. And remember, it's not just smashing, it's a revolution of rebirth. And you guys can find us on Twitter at Ada Realm.